Can't you see the need should be? She's so beautiful, intelligent, she is complete. She's the real top, you'll find your home with her. She makes sure everything is right, you can't go wrong with her. Hit her pink ribbon extensions if you want some new hair. She'll get you pampered by a Christian if your kids need repair. The need should be, she's a queen and sweet. She'll put a roof over your head, she provide for every need. You can't live without her. You can't live without her. You can't live without her. They can't compete if they try. The need should be the perfect time.
What up, gang? So today we is doing a Shein haul, and I am doing this haul, y'all, in my basement for the simple fact I don't feel like going upstairs. The stuff already in the basement. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do it at. So with the Shein haul, I never personally shopped on Shein before, so I don't really know how they clothes fit. I don't really know how they clothes is. But I bought $260 worth of stuff, and I want to try it on with you guys. So come on, let's check out these items. This is the first item. Which is, oh, so this is like a little lounge dress, because I just figured like you cannot go wrong with like loungewear. Like, I don't think no company can get that wrong. So it's very long and it's black. I like colors like this to like wear around the house, or like when I'm really not doing anything, I just like to wear loungewear basically. All right, let's try this on. This is how it look. This is the front of the dress, which I really do like. This is the side of the dress. The back of the dress, I'm not sure how it's looking in the back. The dress is like a scratchy material, so I'm pretty sure like I don't have to wear a bra with this. Like I can go without wearing a bra, and it'll hold my breast like perfect. But it's not that long. It's not to my ankles like I thought it would have been, but it's almost there. Let me try to give you guys some footage of that. Okay, I got stuff everywhere. So it's like right there. I do have on my waist trainer, so I didn't take that off, y'all, because it's waist trainer time. But yeah, this how the dress look. I mean, I could do like this. So yeah, I mean, it's decent. I know I would be nice and comfortable. It's silky, so you know, touch on my body. It's silky, feel good. Oh man, getting rubbed on. It'll feel good on the sheets. Yes, sir. That's here. And then I bought this red dress. I actually got this dress already in like a powder blue. Here, this little dress. How I'm finna fit my thick ass up in this little dress. Ha! Watch this. Okay, so this is the red dress here. So I actually took my waist train off because I just want y'all to see how it actually look without me manipulating it or anything. So this is the red dress. This is how it looked from the front. This one came from Shein, but my other one came from Fashion Nova, and I think I paid maybe like 40 bucks at the most. I'm not sure, but I do like this one. Like, I like how long the arms is, so you know you can put on your jewelry, you know what I'm saying. I do like when like the sleeves is long. I do like off the shoulder, but it's kind of like fitted very tight here, and this is a size medium. Almost everything I got is a size medium, because I was looking at the other people's and they were saying that they was a large, and I'm like, I'm gonna need a medium. Now in this dress, I do like that I got a medium. I would not go any smaller. But yeah, this is the side here, this is the front, and then the back or whatever. I like it. It's cute. It's do something. It's singing Santa baby. Okay, so the next item is this black dress here, and we got to try this on. So let's just jump on in it. Wow. Okay. Now this dress It's giving legs and hips and body, body, body. I'm loving this dress, y'all, but the kind that I would say is that I probably should have got a large. This is a medium. And my slit is all the way up here. I don't like that. I don't like how high my slit is right here, but it's still cute. I mean, I can see me with a clutch, some heels on, you know. Boss, play with your mama and not me, shorty. This is the back of the dress here. Come on. This is the back of the dress here. The side of the dress, which is the side with the slit. And then this is the front here. And then there we go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Stop. I'm hot too. Okay, so I do like this dress. I would say this is a medium. I would get a large. It is very supportive on my boobs though. Like, I like that. Like, I like how supportive it is on my chest because I do have a bigger chest and I don't have to put on no bra with this. Like, it's holding your girls in, okay? So, let's see this one. This is another dress. And I'm going to tell you, it's nothing wrong with having a classy, sexy dress. Like, in your closet, you know what I'm saying, to just pop out occasionally or when needed, you know. So this is like a little leather dress. I don't really know why I bought this dress, but I just picture my body in it, and then I got like these little boots, heels that'll go perfect with it. So I'm like, let me try it out. I think this is a okay, Shein don't tell you the size. Okay. But I think this is a medium. I'm not sure if I got a large or not, but this is a medium. Let's try it out. Oh, okay, so this is the black dress here. It is like a little plaid leather dress. It's super freaking pretty. I'm loving it. It's fitted. It got the slit in the back. The slit is not too far up. This how it look in the back. This how it look from the side, and this how it look in the front. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10 out of 10, minus nothing. Yes. So our next item is a brown dress, like how I had on with the black one. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit the same, so I'm not gonna try this on. I got a little pissy skirt here with the shorts under it. I do have a photo shoot idea with this, but I'm definitely gonna let y'all see how this is, how it look on me. So let's put it on. Dress here, and I actually kept my this other dress on. Well, I got on the skirt, but I kept the black dress on because I did not feel like finding the top. I'm in the basement, like I said. So this is the front of the dress. It's very short. This is the side, and this is the back here. So I'm gonna say with this dress, it's giving what it needs to be given because I have an idea for this dress. So y'all just stay tuned for those pictures because they're gonna be fire. Give me to the end of December. Y'all gonna see them on Instagram, Facebook, wherever y'all, you know, y'all follow me at. Make sure you follow me on all platforms, by the way. But yeah, I'm gonna give this get low in the club. It's perfect for what I wanted, for what I want to use it for. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 because I know people like stuff like this. And your girl looking super thick, okay? And it's gonna be perfect for my photo shoot idea. So yeah. My next item I have, now, well, I got this skirt on. Well, I got this skirt on. I'm just gonna put on the rest of my skirts. Okay, so I got this black skirt here with the little split in the front. So let's try this on. Okay, y'all. So let me tell you. Like I said, I got a large in this black dress, y'all, and I was really looking forward to this dress because I do have photo shoot ideas with this dress, and I was trying to put it up over my booty. Big old hole, it ripped, so this is a bummer. So I have on this other little skirt here, and this is how it look in the front. Personally, I did not think that it was going to look like this because I don't like how it's balled up in the front. But I don't know if it's like what. But it comes with shorts under it or whatever. So I don't know if this is how it's actually supposed to look because in pictures it was not giving this look. I don't know if mine's too little or not. But yeah, this is how it look from the side. This is how it look from the back. And then y'all seen how it look from the front. So the next item I got is another lounge dress. So let's try this on. Let me squeeze my sexy ass up in here. And I'm gonna let you guys see how it look. This is the black dress here.
Fine girl dress.
Chris talking about fine girl dress, y'all. So it's long. I wish the sleeves was a little bit longer like our red dress was. But it's showing all the curves, you know. It's giving what it needs to be give. And I like it. I mean, it's a nice lounge dress, or, you know, if you want to just run to the store or something like that, it's a great dress. So this is the front, y'all. This is how it look from the side. This is the back.
Lisa, don't be doing that, dude. You're not
and this is the front. Chris told me I don't do that. I'm not a thigh. Dude, thighs the only people shake their ass? Ladies do too.
If your daughter was doing the same thing, you'd be okay with that?
I would. If she was old enough, like appropriate. I'm fucking fit to be 30 years old. I'm a grown woman. I can shake my ass. Yeah, I mean, she's growing into who she is. Look at us having parenting conversations and Chris don't agree. But yeah, this is nice or whatever. It's longer than that other black dress I had, y'all. Y'all see how long it is? Now, this is exactly what I was looking for because the other black dress didn't go to my ankles. And this one did. So, perfect dress. I will rate Shein clothes. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Just because that black dress had ripped. But I should have bought a bigger size. But like I said, everything else, I bought a medium. But everything else was also scratchy as well. So keep that in mind, lady. If the material is not scratchy, get a bigger size. Definitely if you load it back there. Okay? So I feel as if I should have got an extra large in that black dress, which I'm going to send back because I do need that dress for my photo shoot. I did not like that white dress I just had on. And then everything else was good. I liked everything else. So, yeah, we're going to rate them. Let's just rate them a 10 out of 10. 1, because they cheap. 2, because they do have nice stuff if you choose the right stuff. And then, like, I've been looking and I've been noticing that they have a lot of things that Fashion Nova and Pretty Little Thing is charging us $60 and $40 for. So, yeah, I'm going to go with Shein next time. I am going to be start shopping on Shein. So, let's give it up for Shein, y'all. And, yeah, I'm up out of here, baby. Deuces.
They can't compete if they try. Denesha B's the perfect type. Denesha B's where you reside. Denesha B's your woman.